Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your HP Compaq 250. To factory reset it, you need to go to settings first. By the way, this process will take a longer while, so first of all make sure you have time for this. Of course, you don't have to be next to your computer all the time because most of the actions will be performed automatically. And also the other thing I would suggest is plugging in a charger. So I have my charger here and I'm gonna plug it into the right side of my laptop, just to make extra sure my laptop doesn't discharge in the process. And now we can go to Windows Update in the settings, and now just scroll all the way down and you'll see advanced options. Now go to recovery, click on that, and now click on reset PC. Now you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. I'm gonna choose to remove everything. And now you can choose to either reinstall Windows from cloud or from local. So the cloud one will download the newest version of Windows, so you don't have to update afterwards. But I'm gonna just click on local reinstall. And now you can also click on change settings here, and you can choose. I've been asked about downloading Windows before, so this setting is just a repeated one, but clean data is a very important settings, and you can select it to no, as it is now, if you are not planning on selling your laptop. But if you are planning on selling your laptop, then I would suggest to put it on yes, because it will clean the drive fully, so the data will be not recoverable. But I'm gonna disable that, because if I enable it, then the process may take hours, and I don't really want that, and I'm not planning on selling this laptop. So once everything is selected correctly, we can click on next, and now we're gonna just wait after we click on reset. And now it's done. It took over 25 minutes. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.